Using payment links in Payments Hub. Payment links allows you to create and share a unique link that directs customers to a customized payment page to submit payments. To set up a payment link, navigate to the Payment Links page and click Create. Enter a title for your payment link with an optional description and image. Now select the payment type. Fixed amount is a single amount that each customer pays. Multiple amounts allows up to $3 amounts that customers can choose from. Open-ended allows customers to enter the amount they want to pay. Add an optional custom field if you would like to allow or require customers to submit additional information with their payment. Continuing with the optional theme, feel free to add a URL that your customers will be redirected to after submitting their payment. Click Preview to check your work and view your payment page from a customer's perspective. Once finished, click Create to publish your link and select how you're going to share it. Download QR code allows you to share your payment link as a scannable QR code online or in person. Embed a payment link button auto-generates code to place on your website. Payment link URL lets you use your link as you see fit, such as pasting it in an email or text message. Not sure what you want to do with your link yet? No worries. You can always view the payment link details to edit information or select a sharing option later. When customers access your payment link, they will follow a few simple steps to submit their payment. Choose or enter a payment amount depending on the payment type you selected. Complete any optional or required tasks you may have added, such as a custom field or an option to tip. Enter credit card information, email address, and phone number, then click the Pay button when finished. A confirmation message will appear, and their receipt is sent to the contact information they provided. All of your active and inactive payment links are listed in Payments Hub, displayed with their title, type, created date, amount, number of uses, and volume generated. Click View Transactions from the Payment Link Details panel to see a list of the individual payments submitted through that link. You may also deactivate your link when all of the payments have been collected or you are no longer using it. Deactivated payment links can be seen under the Inactive Payment Links filter and may be reactivated if needed. For additional information on payment links or any feature in Payments Hub, click the Need Help tab located on the right to view our help tools. Payments Hub, your business command center.